Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So you can see the size comparison. The Note 10 Plus is quite huge compared to the Note 10. If you just want a compact phone with bezel-less screen, Note 10 is also not a small phone. I think it's one of the ideal size, you can say. But yes, if you need a more powerhouse and much more bigger size, the Note 10 Plus definitely has an edge. In terms of the display, both of them has amazing display. I mean, one of the best. I really, admire Samsung for always outdoing themselves, with the Galaxy S10 Plus, it was one of the best displays. For some reason, this looks even more crispier. In terms of the colors, the viewing angle, everything looks amazing and crisp. So these are my hands-on. The smartphone has 6.8-inch Quad HD screen, and I think at the moment it even looks better than the Galaxy S10 Plus screen. And also the viewing angles are good and the colors looks quite crisp and they are not very loud. So Samsung has kind of muted the colors, which is very good for eyes, so it doesn't give you any eye strain. On the left hand side you have the power button. For some reason Samsung has changed the power button location to the left side, and the volume rockers usually is on the right. At the bottom you have the speakers, you have the S Pen, you have the main microphone, and on the top you have the SIM card tray, you have the secondary microphone. Now let's talk about the power button, how to turn off a Note 10. So usually we have the power button location on the right, but this time Samsung has pushed it on the left. But when you press and hold, it takes you to the Bixby. To turn off the smartphone, you need to press the power button and the volume down button for a while, for like 3 seconds. And then you get the power off and restart menu. So I can say that's similar to how iPhone, you need to press 2 buttons to turn it off. So how do you take a screenshot on a Galaxy Note 10? You press the volume down button and the power button together and just release it at the same time, like this. So you take a screenshot, and not to mention you can customize the screenshot. So you can edit the screenshot, you can make it smaller, bigger. You can write something. In terms of the feature, I think this phone will be mastering the Galaxy S10 Plus because Samsung is kind of king of the features in smartphones. Now let's talk about the S Pen. Samsung hasn't included many features in the S10 this time as the regular one which you have in Galaxy Note 9. Now in creating a note is same. So creating a note is same, but this time they have added a new feature. You can translate the note in the text. So you go to the Samsung Notes and you click on this text icon and you can just convert it. So you can see that even though my handwriting is not so good, but still is able to recognize it. So I think this is a good addition. Also there's a collaboration with Microsoft for the Samsung Dex support. It's the same, you view all your notes. So the Smart Select feature is also same, you share it, or you can extract the text. You can write something. You have the screen write feature, live messages. So again, nothing new, it's all we have seen in the Galaxy Note 9 before. See, this is the live video, you can send or share it. Write something on the video itself. It's pretty cool. And now this is something new, AR doodles. So if you have, you can apply some AR features on anything you find. So another cool feature Samsung has added, which is I'm really excited about, is the live focus video mode. You can see the bokeh. You can also adjust the blur. If you want less blur or you want more bokeh effect. And there is also a glitch effect which you can add a blur. This is, everything is in black and white and the person will be in the colored. And you can adjust the bokeh. You can see the blur effect. I mean, it doesn't work as a DSLR camera, but it's very close. The blur, as you can see, it's coming in the edges. But you can adjust the blur. So I think if you apply a medium blur, that should be fine. But again, I mean, for sure, smartphones are catching up with DSLR. See the blur effect here? Yeah. So this is awesome blur, you can see. Everything is quite blurry and the person is on focus. But yes, you can see the edges are, also getting blurred. So it doesn't have the DSLR effect, but it's very close. Now smartphones are coming all the way to compete with DSLRs. But yes, it has a very small sensor. I mean, even a point and shoot will have 1-inch sensor. So, but still, it's a very good software feature Samsung has added.
I'm recording a live focus video in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So this is how it looks. Super clear, even you can see the body, everything is perfect. Actually it's in the front camera of my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So enjoy.
Now let's check the sound quality of the device. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.